At is used for positions and locations, both of which refer to place and are seen as points. For example, the boy was waiting in front of my shop at the left side. I was standing there at the inquiry desk. Use of at for age. At for age examples. The children in my area go to school at 5. At 17, we used to go to cut grass for your cows and bulls. Use of at for companies and institutions. For examples, John worked at Microsoft. This ancient book can be found at Maulana Azad Library. Use of at for address. At for address examples. My shop is located at Azad Street in Mumbai. Contact us at name123@gmail.com. Use of at for activities.